want to take a picture, it's just too much. Here, let me put it on video.
They're real similar.
Look at that.
Same size, just about everything.
Look at that, too. And there's Sophie and her twin.
He said, hey, yeah, we're the same size.
Look at that, that's so cute. Uh-oh. Okay.
He wasn't want him playing with him. He said, hey, that's my path.
What a good boy. That is so uncanny. His colouring and his
Face, everything.
face and the rear end. Sorry, meaning the muscle form and all that.
Tail,
No?
yeah, everything's pretty
Right.
similar.
My
Pretty
goodness.
similar.
What's your dog's name?
Dylan.
Dylan?
Like Bob Dylan.
Okay. And that's Sophie.
Not
that-
Dylan Beach.
No. Sophie, I've got two Sophies. Sophie is the shepherd and the one that's your twin.
Oh,
Your dog's twin.
Oh, he's bad. Real good, real good, real good.
Watch out, guys.
And this guy is a Borzoi?